Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. So today is our second day. We drove all the way from Munich to Stockholm and it was a bloody 30 hours of bus ride, a hectic work. It's 7:30 a.m. We are in Stockholm. Now we are at the port. We have our time till 3 p.m. where we can explore the complete Stockholm city and should return back here and to board a ferry to Helsinki. Here we have a wonderful panoramic view of the city with some wonderful architecture around. We have been doing a city tour throughout Stockholm and the city is so amazing. Now we are at the city hall and it's quite freezing, a little bit of snow, but the temperature and wind is too much. This is the old town city center of Stockholm. This is the cruise that we are taking to Helsinki. The cruise from Stockholm to Helsinki. These are the cabins inside the cruise. So this is my cabin. Oh, okay. This looks good. So this is my cabin. Looks pretty cozy. Good morning from ferry. This is the buffet breakfast area. Hey guys, we are on the cruise to Helsinki. We started yesterday in Stockholm. 10:10 we will be in Helsinki and we will be exploring the city. Here we have the semi-frozen sea. Wow! You can see on the shore the sea is frozen. It's the frozen part. It's quite cold and windy, but the sun is saving us. So our bus arrived along with us in Helsinki now, and this is the same bus we got in earlier. When you do the trip with PM to AM trips, you'll be traveling through lots and lots of cities, but you will get only some time to explore them. For example, you will be traveling through several cities of Finland and few of the Sweden cities.
This is the palace and this is the president's working place. Actually, this street, which we are just about to leave, this is one of the two best shopping streets of Helsinki with also many cafes, but it has been made by a female sculpturist named Eila Hiltunen. She was quite a young lady, approximately in her 40s when she made this memorial.
Architecture that you see in front, the momentum, that's really wonderful and it's a must visit place. This is the one place where we could get down from the bus and have a look. In behind you can see is the bus in which we are doing the city tour, and it's a little boring, but the history what the lady spoke about is really very nice. We got to know a lot of things about Helsinki. This is a complete souvenir market. We are now gonna do a island hopping from Helsinki. Now we are taking a ferry ride to one of the island from Helsinki. The weather was awesome today. It's almost the sunset hour. So we are exploring the fort on the island. It's almost sunset but looks good. So we had to pay €9 to get onto this island and it's super freezing. I had to wear my gloves finally. You can see the sea is frozen. When in Helsinki, make sure you try the reindeer meat, which is very yummy. So guys, I have booked my trip with PM2M and this is the gentle lady, beautiful one, who is managing this trip, and she has been very helpful. I have been doing this trip with an agency called PM2AM Trips, and I would be talking about how the days go. So every day how you do it, how you travel, how you stay. It's a 2-night stay in ferry where you also have the breakfast, buffet breakfast included. Apart from that, one day you stay in a hotel, a nice hotel in Kemi, where you will be going for hunting the northern lights. Other than that, most of the days you are only traveling in the bus, even night travel, and the bus journey is little bit hectic, so you need to plan accordingly.